Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Athena with AWS Lambda for query acceleration. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Athena with AWS Lambda for query acceleration, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Athena service from the AWS Services menu. Next, create or identify an existing S3 bucket that will store the query results. Make sure to configure appropriate permissions for the S3 bucket. Once the bucket is ready, click on the Query Editor within the Athena console. Define your data source by selecting a database or creating a new one. Create a table based on your data format by using the appropriate DDL commands. After your table is set up, proceed to the AWS Lambda console from the AWS Services menu. Click on Create Function. Select Author from Scratch and give your function a suitable name. Choose Python or Node.js as your runtime environment. Now, set the execution role for the Lambda function that grants it access to Athena and S3. Define the function's code to trigger an Athena query when invoked. In your code, use the AWS SDK to initialize the Athena client. Specify the necessary parameters, such as the query string and context. Once your code is ready, save the Lambda function. Test your function using the built-in testing tools in the AWS Lambda console. Check the configuration and logs for any errors during the testing phase. Next, set up a trigger for the Lambda function based on your requirements. You can use API Gateway or CloudWatch events for this purpose. Deploy the trigger and ensure all settings are properly configured. Return to the Athena console and run a sample query to verify that everything is set up correctly. Monitor the query performance and check the results stored in your S3 bucket. Finally, tweak your Lambda function and Athena queries as necessary for optimal performance. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Athena with AWS Lambda for query acceleration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.